think we're live. Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, coming to you straight from my kitchen, not from Hungryland. I've been in my kitchen every day. I think this is my 36th video or 37th video. Lauren, it's been, are you telling me to lift my shirt? She's saying I should lift my shirt because you could see my under tank and possibly part of my bra. I'm looking over and she's like, lift. Anyway, it's me. She's all embarrassed. I'm not. Tonight, it's going to be a very casual, as you can tell, discussion about my brand new drink mix. It's called Your Daily Bright Boost. So very fittingly, the prizes tonight are going to be drink samples of Your Daily Bright Boost. And how are you going to win the samples? You're just going to comment, you can ask a question, you can react to an answer, you can just be here, or you can try to identify this lovely gentleman on my hat. I just asked Lauren if that was a female or a male, and she said it was a female. She's wrong, and she doesn't know who that is. But if you know who that is, there is a right answer to this one. I'm obsessed with this person on my hat. If you can identify this person, you have a chance of winning samples. 5 people are going to win 2 packets of Your Daily Bright Boost. Hey everyone, hi Jamie, hey Mary, hey Betsy. We've got Jamie, who is my, basically, I always like to say my left hand because I'm left-handed. And Jamie's been working at Hungry Girl for 14 years, and she'll, at least, I think, she'll be in the audience answering questions as well. You also know Jamie from the podcast. If you don't listen to the podcast, you absolutely should. So we are here for you, and today we are going to be talking about Your Daily Bright Boost. I'm going to be demoing it and showing you how I drink it. I might need Lauren to get me a straw or something at some point. And then she's running. She's so obedient. She's running to get a straw already. Anyway, giving out samples, answering questions that you already posted on the site, on the Facebook page, and everywhere else because you want to know about this fine product. I'm going to start by giving you a little bit of a rundown about the product. So every morning I drink something, and it started off many years ago. I started drinking eBoost. It's like a daily power-up, and it made me feel great. It's loaded with vitamins. I drank it. I loved it. I became obsessed with it. Early on, I did not like it. When the company sent it to me to taste, I didn't like it. There was something about it that I didn't really love. I was focusing on the way it tasted only, and I didn't think about the way it made me feel. So I started drinking it and realizing that when I drank it, I felt great. I felt a boost of energy. It's naturally caffeinated. Anyway, cut to several years later, and the company and I, actually this guy Josh Takeman, who owns the company, we decided to create this product together, and that's called Your Daily Bright Boost, which is basically this vitamin drink that is mixed with collagen peptides. So when I was drinking my drink, every day I would add collagen, I would add fiber, and I just said, hey Josh, why don't we make a version of it that has the collagen in it? And he said, that's a great idea. And I said, well, can I create the flavor that I like? He said, yes. So I flew to New Jersey, we created this amazing drink, and I'm in love with it. I drink it every single day, and it is all about how good I feel when I drink it. Now, who out there has tried this, has ordered it? We launched it several weeks ago, and we've gotten a lot of great feedback. I want to have these very open discussions because I think it's great for people to get a better understanding of the product and also know how I like to drink it. I can describe the flavor and then describe the way it makes me feel. And eventually, when I can, I'm going to have guests on and they can talk about the product and let me know how it makes them feel. So, all right, I'll show you how I drink it first. So this is the packet. I'm going to open it up. And just to give you a little bit of backstory about what's in it, 15 vitamins and minerals, collagen peptides, which will help your skin, hair, and nails. It helps support normal immune functions. 20 calories, 0 grams of sugar, and I will be answering the questions that you posted on the page. It gives natural energy in the form of naturally occurring caffeine from green tea and green coffee. So this is the powder. It smells kind of tropical. It's definitely tart. It's a mix of orange, mango, pineapple. Do you know who's on my hat? I'm trying to read. Anyway, so now next up, this is a measuring cup. This is only an 8-ounce measuring cup. I'm gonna show you what 8 ounces of water, or I could fill this to the top. I usually put about 9 ounces of water in. You could use 9, 10, 11, 12 ounces of water. I'm gonna put, actually, watch this. It fizzes, so it's a little fizzy, but not overly fizzy. Typically, I will throw in a teaspoon of Metamucil for fiber, but that's in the morning. Sometimes I drink this twice a day, so I'm gonna drink it tonight. I'm gonna leave the Meta out. When I use Meta, I use a teaspoon. I'm leaving Meta out tonight because I already had my Meta, but I'm gonna drink another one because I need the energy to stay awake to watch the rest of season 2 of Dead to Me. And if I don't have this, I might fall asleep. Who else likes Dead to Me? It's really good. Okay, so now that I have my 8 ounces of water, I load it up with ice. I like pellet ice. You could use whatever ice you have at home, but ice is key. And I like a lot of ice. To me, the more ice, the better. The more ice you use, the more delicious this tastes. And it looks like a big icy beverage. And I'm gonna taste it, I'm gonna describe the flavor to you, then I'm gonna give you some tips. I love this. I'm obsessed with this drink, okay. The reason why I do love the flavor is that it's a little tart. We used a little bit of that citric acid, which gives it tartness. It's got a little bit of a sour flavor. It is naturally sweetened with stevia. So there's no artificial sweeteners, but it is a functional beverage. So if we have gotten any feedback, full disclosure, not everybody loves the taste of it. So we have heard from some people and they say, hey Lisa, I don't know about the taste of this. It's not like as delicious as I expected it to be. This is not meant to be like a Diet Coke or a Crystal Light or Kool-Aid or High C or whatever your soft drink of choice is. This is a functional beverage. So imagine if you had a drink like Airborne or emergen-c. When you taste it, sometimes it's so horrible you can't even get it down and you have to just like drink the whole thing at once and you're like, this is disgusting, but it's good for me. That is not what this is. This has all the benefits of a product like those products, only it tastes good enough to enjoy. So I drink this with breakfast and I think it's amazing and I love the way it tastes. But again, this is not a Diet Coke substitute or a Sunny D. How do you like that reference? A Sunny D substitute. It's not. Okay, now, yes?
Does it replace my daily vitamins?
So it does replace your daily vitamins. So I don't take a daily vitamin anymore, I drink this. And there's 15 vitamins and minerals. I'm gonna go through some of the questions that came in today and then I'll answer more. One question that came in, someone said, if you're doing intermittent fasting, can you break the fast with this? My answer is, yes, I break my fast with this. I do a 16-8 fast. I happen to drink this typically at the 14th hour, so I break the fast a little early with this. But because it's loaded with a lot of vitamins, if you have a sensitive stomach, you might want to wait and drink this with your meal or right after your meal in case you're afraid that the vitamins are going to make your stomach hurt. I don't notice it, but I've heard that people don't like to take vitamins on an empty stomach, so if you're one of those, then you can wait. Someone else asked if it's a meal replacement. No, it's not a meal replacement. It's only 20 calories, so you have it in addition to your meal, and no, it's not a replacement. How many calories and carbs? It has 20 calories and less than 1 carb. So it's very low in carbs. It has 2 grams of protein. That comes from the collagen peptides. By the way, in case you're wondering, this glass that I have it in, it's called a working glass. And you can get them on Amazon or at like Crate and Barrel or Williams-Sonoma. They're great. This is a 21-ounce working glass. Love this glass. I have everything in this glass. So it's almost as important as the drink itself. Well, not really. All right, next. People are saying, is it only good if I mix this with water or can I mix it with anything else? I like it with water. You can mix it with other things. Some people like to add a splash of juice. Some people have said they've had it with protein powder and made a shake out of it. My sister likes to have it with banana. If I was gonna have banana with it, I would freeze the banana and put it in a blender with some ice. But you can drink it however you want, but I just use only water, basically. Someone else said, will it keep me up at night if I have it at 2 p.m.? For me, no. But if you're super sensitive to caffeine, if you had a cup of coffee at 2 p.m. and that would keep you up all night, then maybe it'll keep you up all night. So, it's up to you. Another question that came in from a few people, will be shipping to Canada, and unfortunately, as of now, the company has no way to ship to Canada. There are different rules in Canada, and we cannot accommodate. I really apologize for that. I wish we could. Is it made with artificial sweeteners? No, it has stevia, which is not artificial. It's naturally occurring. It's a natural sweetener. Another question that we got, people said, why are there 15 in a box when you need 30 for the month? I just say you need 2 boxes for the month. That's basically it. But if you subscribe, then you can save some money. I think you end up saving like 20 cents per packet or something. If you subscribe, you can save money on that. But I'm going to taste this again so I can describe it to you what it tastes like. It's just good. It's tart, tropical, mango, pineapple, orange. And it makes you feel, I feel very energized. People always say to me, Lisa, where do you get your energy from? I credit this. And I feel very bright and clear-headed and just more energetic. How much meta do I take with it? Just a teaspoon is what I put in. Okay, a lot of people are saying, are you gonna make a version without caffeine? Are you gonna make a version without collagen? Are you gonna make a version in different flavors? The answer is no, right now you can't. We're not gonna do that. I love that someone said it makes their mouth feel alive. That's amazing. And someone else has asked where they subscribe, and you can subscribe by going to hungry-girl.com/bright. If you went to just the website, the homepage, you'd find it, but if you go to that exact address, you will find it faster. But we're not planning on making other versions of it. We really want to focus on this. We can't just, make all these different kinds, but maybe in the future, but there are no plans to make other flavors or anything else like that. All right.
The link is pinned in the comments if you want.
The link is pinned in the comments. Yes, it is pinned in the comments. So if you want to find that link so you could order it directly, go right there. If you know who's on my hat, tell me, and you might win a prize. And today's prize is 2 packets of your Daily Bright Boost. If you want to win this, you want to sample it as a nice little Mother's Day gift. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Okay.
Says her nails and skin are looking much healthier.
I feel like my nails are growing so fast. My hair, unfortunately, is growing fast too because I need it, whatever, fixed, straightened, you name it. Yes, people are getting it right. This is HR Puffin stuff. I'd sing the theme song. I wish I wasn't too embarrassed to do that, but I love him. I'm obsessed with him. And I'm glad you remember who he is. Okay, what other questions do you have live? Because I have answered, I think, pretty much most of the questions that were listed on the website and on Facebook. So I'm here now. Somebody asked if this was Rainbow Man. No, it's Rainbow Man. That's something Lauren might say. Rainbow Man. So what vitamins and minerals are in it? That's a really good question, actually. A ton of vitamin C. There's zinc, which is unique because not a lot of these have zinc. Like, I don't know if emergen-c has zinc. There's vitamin D. There are a lot of the B vitamins. So tons of great vitamins in here. Does it make you jittery? No, it does not make me jittery at all. Like, sometimes if I have a really strong cup of coffee, I do get jittery, but this doesn't give me jitters. If there's anyone out there that's in the audience that has this and likes it and has tried it, feel free to chime in the comments and tell people how it makes you feel. Because to me, it just makes me feel really solid. Great.
Is there sugar? How's it sweetened?
No sugar. Again, it's naturally sweetened with stevia, so it has 0 grams of sugar. And yes, it only comes in packets. What's the best time to drink this? Dawn, for me it's the morning, but again, if you have a sensitive stomach and you wouldn't take vitamins on an empty stomach, wait until right after breakfast. But I drink this in the morning time. I drink it probably between 6 and 7 a.m. Is it fizzy? Yes, it's a little fizzy, but I use so much water and ice that it doesn't end up tasting fizzy, even though when you make it, it has some effervescence. So it's nice. It's good. Why, is there any folic acid? Is there folic acid? I should know this off the top of my head. Jamie, do you know if there's folic acid? Folic acid. Jamie might answer that. If not, you can look on the website and all the ingredients are there. Or maybe, do you see any folic acid?
Someone said
Thank
they
you.
find it very refreshing.
It is very refreshing. Thank you. And thank you for loving my hat. It is, I don't know.
Jamie says yes.
Yes, there's folic acid.
Yeah, there is.
Happy birthday. Yes, there's folic acid. And it has collagen. It's just a good product. I have to say, it makes me feel great. I drink it every single day. And again, I can't reiterate enough that this is not like, it's not supposed to take the place of your Diet Coke. It's not going to be what you necessarily drink with your lunch. It's just a functional thing. It's functional. I have it instead of taking a nightly vitamin, a morning vitamin, I have this. And I love it. And it makes me feel better than any vitamin could. I used to like Flintstones chewables, but this is way better. Any other questions? What do we got? A great way to get hydrated in the morning. Yes, it also helps get your water, because if you have trouble drinking water, this is a lot of water. Because mine ends up melting. A lot of the ice ends up melting, and I have way more than, I'd say it ends up being a good 12 to 15 ounces that I drink of liquid. Thank you for liking my hats and shirts. Thank you. If you want to win, make sure you keep commenting. How are the comments coming in?
There is. It wasn't refreshed. Hold on.
We don't know. What are you doing this fine Sunday? Who else is watching Dead to Me? It's such a good show.
650 comments.
650 of you are trying to win this. That's great. Or maybe it's only 200 of you that are commenting over and over. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's fine. Again, giving out samples. 5 people tonight are winning 2 packs. This is delicious. Pamela in the audience agrees. It is refreshing. I love it. Again, it makes me feel great. It gives you energy. This is like the first fully branded Hungry Girl product that we've put out like this. So in 16 years, I am very much behind it. Yes, electrolytes. And no erythritol. Right. But we're going to be answering these questions still. Even when I go, I always ate more than I should have Flintstone vitamins. I know, you want to like pop those purple Dinos. Nobody wanted like, I liked the Barney Rubbles too, I have to say, but the purple Dinos were where it was at. All right, I think I'm going to conclude this because I answered all of the questions that I had. I think I have raved to you about this product enough. I am going to come back either tomorrow or Tuesday with a new recipe, so tune in for that. But in the meantime, if you want to order this, which I highly recommend, you could check it out. If you don't like it, I mean, you can get your money back, but I would really give it a try and try to love it. You can go to hungry-girl.com/bright. While you're at Hungry Girl, you might as well sign up for the daily emails. And I have noticed a difference in my skin. See? Anyway, but I tend to have oily skin, so it feels nice and bright. And my nails for sure. I think my nails grow like weeds. So I've been cutting them for the past like 2 months. All right, well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope that you check out your Daily Bright Boost. I'm very proud of this product. I think it's amazing. Jamie's in the audience. She can vouch for that. She drinks it every day as well. We love it. And this week on the podcast, if you're interested, I will be interviewing Josh, who is the creator of eBoost, who I have partnered with. So if you want to hear his backstory and how he started the company and how he created eBoost and helped create your Daily Bright Boost with me, listen to the podcast. It'll be out Wednesday morning. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew and sip the right thing.